You're listening to the Dinner Party Show, and now here's Pedestrian of the Week.
Excellent. Yeah, I really feel like you started, like, you and people like you were like a beachhead. Because every year it's a little better.
It
Like,
has gotten
restaurants have
significantly-
started to actually have, like a decent teapot and then a better selection.
It's
That
still-
basket of old stale teas, remember that?
my
When they
favorite-
bring you those where it's like,
Well,
ew, these are all horrible.
Well, and on top of it, this is my thing. This is a fancy restaurant. They open up a box full of tea bags as a display. I mean, do you remember when they used to, like when we were kids, they used to have a trolley come around with dessert
Right.
and they would show you that. Who does that anymore? That's like the whole dramatic thing. Here, let me
Right.
show you the packaging.
Ta-da!
As opposed to now they're writing little descriptions
Also,
down.
it was this really cheap thing that, restaurants were obligated to serve, and they weren't making much money off of it. So the gourmet teas allowed them to mark up this thing.
They
And
do,
also,
but they were
waiters
making-
hate it because they have to make it themselves. The bar won't make it for them. So
It's
there was
it's
a real
battle.
market there.
It is a battle, but there's like we serve.
But we're
tea-
winning.
No, but we're winning because of you, because you gave the restaurants incentive to mark up the product.
They're
or to
learning
go
a little
higher
bit.
end.
They're getting better tea.
Yeah.
And people will pay for it because
They
it's
will.
worth it.
People come. Ask all the time. Why don't you sell your tea to this place? Why don't you? It's like I have to go out and be like a tea evangelical.